Hi guys, I'm Pratik from LWP Labs. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing about some of the deployment options for our cloud service, platform as a service. So there mainly I'm going to be discussing about three deployment options. So first one is going to be the single database. So by using this single database, it's nothing but it's a full, first you have to know this is a fully managed database service in the Azure. And what this means is that you will get a SQL Server database which will be running in the cloud. And also you don't need to worry about managing the hardware or this infrastructure. Everything will be like, it's all taken care by the Azure itself. So it is something like renting an apartment in the cloud. As an example I can give, you will get your own space, something like that, but you don't need to worry about fixing your roof or doing the plumbing work. For example, if you're renting an apartment in your cloud, you don't need to worry about fixing the roof or doing some plumbing work or any electrical lines or anything. Microsoft all will handle that for you. So that's one of the best thing about the single database. So in the next one, we'll see the second deployment option is the elastic pool we have. So in the elastic pool, so I can give you an example. So imagine that you will have several databases. So, but each of them each of them, they won't be using resources all the time. So with this elastic pool, what you can do is that you can group them together and you can share these resources. It can be the memory, it can be storage, it can be your central processing unit, all of those things. It can be shared across them. So it's nothing but a shared resource pool where the database, it can also borrow the resources when they need them. So it can save your, scaling can also be done automatically. Cost savings is done. All of those are taken care. So that is one of the best examples for elastic pool. And the third deployment option that we have is managed instance. So what exactly is a managed instance? So this is nothing but it's a fully managed SQL Server database that will run in the cloud. And something which you have to know, when I'm talking about managed instance, the term on-premises SQL Server, this comes under managed instance. So it's almost 100% compatible with these on-premises SQL Server. That means that you can move your existing SQL Server application to your cloud without making any changes, or with minimal changes, I can say. So there is not much changes that is required. So it can be like in the future class, you'll come to know about your SQL agent and linked servers. So those are some of the important examples for managed instance. So this is all about the SQL Server Paas deployment options. Thank you. Welcome to LWP Labs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view free Azure DevOps live classes. And for more videos like this, please contact the number shown in the description. Happy learning!